In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact QuickBooks support efficiently and effectively. Navigating through support channels can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially if you're dealing with pressing issues that need immediate attention. But don't worry, I've got you covered with an easy-to-follow guide to get you connected with a QuickBooks live support agent in just about 5 minutes. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the QuickBooks website. It's here that you'll start your journey to find the help you need. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Sign In button. Clicking on this will take you to the next step of the process. After you've clicked on Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password associated with your QuickBooks account. Take a moment to type in your credentials carefully to ensure a smooth sign-in process. Following your sign-in, you might be asked to verify your identity. QuickBooks takes your account security seriously, so this could involve receiving a code via text message or email, or answering security questions based on your account setup. Choose the verification method that works best for you. Once you're signed in and have navigated the dashboard, look towards the top right once again, but this time for the Help button. It's typically denoted by a question mark or the word Help. Click on it to access the support menu. In the support section, you'll interact with QuickBooks Virtual Assistant. This is where you can type in, "I need to connect to a live person." This phrase is a clear indicator to the system that your query requires human intervention, navigating you closer to real-time support. After expressing your need to talk to a live person, you'll be presented with an option to contact support team. Click on that to proceed. However, QuickBooks might try to offer automated support or articles that it thinks might resolve your query. In this instance, if you're asked to elaborate or offered chat support, politely decline by choosing No or a similar option that indicates you still need further assistance. Following your choice, you should see an option labelled No, I still need help, or an equivalent statement that conveys your need to continue seeking support. Don't hesitate to make your click count here, signaling that your query hasn't been resolved by the automated suggestions. Once again, you'll see the Contact Support Team option. Clicking on it reaffirms your request to get in touch with a real person. Your persistence pays off here, guiding the system to understand the need for human interaction. Now for the crucial final step. You will be presented with different options to reach out to the support team. This could range from a phone call, live chat, to scheduling a callback. Each method has its own advantages, so consider what works best for you in terms of urgency and convenience. Choose your preferred method of communication. If you opt for a phone call or live chat, you might be given an estimated wait time. For callbacks, you will likely need to select a time slot. It's important to be as detailed as possible when describing your issue, so the support team can assist you effectively right from the start. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've navigated through QuickBooks support protocol and on your way to speaking with a live support agent. Remember, patience and clear communication are key throughout this process. Support teams are there to help, and by providing them with as much context and information about your issue as possible, you'll facilitate a smoother resolution. Before I wrap up, a quick tip. Always have your QuickBooks account information and a brief summary of your issue ready before initiating contact. This will save you time and help the support team understand your situation better. That's it for today's guide on how to contact QuickBooks support. Whether you're dealing with a technical glitch, have a billing query, or need guidance on using QuickBooks features, help is just a few clicks away. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more helpful guides like this.